Look at that bird. Each time I take off, that bird is trying to protect that territory. Must be eggs and nest here. See, this is the love of a mother. That bird is trying to fight such a big drone. Risking her life is because she has eggs here. She's protecting these eggs. I told you, that is why. You see, she's right there still. She's trying to protect.
Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right